Hola and happy Cinco de Mayo, my friends. Ellen here. Hope all you doing well and staying safe and healthy. Welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen. Are you a fan of churros like I am? Well, why not turn in churros into a cupcake form? That's right, sugar. So today I'm going to share with all of you some Churros Cupcakes. And my friends, these are simple and easy to make, bursting with cinnamon sugar. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. This will be perfect for your Cinco de Mayo celebration. Everybody's going to fall in love with these. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my other Mexican recipes, from Mexican rice to tres leches cake and my previous video, baked ziti. I'll post a link to all of those down below in the description box. So grab your flour, your cinnamon, and your cupcake pan sugar, because we're about to bake some Churros Cupcake magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, in my bowl and sifter, I have 2½ cups of self-rising flour. And we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And we're going to sift these ingredients together. So now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl, we're going to add in 1½ cups of canola oil, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1 cup of real mayonnaise. These cupcakes are going to be super duper moist. And 2 extra large eggs at room temperature. And we're going to mix these on medium speed until they're well combined. Alright, my friends, now we're going to slowly add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. And we're going to mix everything until they're well combined. Alright, my friends, this is what the cake batter look like. Nice and thick. You can smell the cinnamon. Alright. That looks great. Now we're ready to fill our cupcake liners. I have my cupcake pan lined with 12 cupcake liners. So using my ice cream scoop, I'm going to take a scoop of the cake batter. And just scoop them right into the cupcake liner. And it'll give us even layer cupcakes. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish scooping the rest of my batter, and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I've got all my cupcakes together. Now we're ready to put them in the oven. We're going to bake them in the preheated 340-degree oven. Alright, my friends, I have taken my cupcakes out of the oven. It smells phenomenal up in this kitchen. So now I'm going to let them cool completely. And while they're cooling, we can get started on our luscious cinnamon cream cheese frosting. In my bowl, I have a 1/8 ounce package of cream cheese and a 1/2 cup, which is 1 stick of unsalted butter. And they're both room temperature. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until they're fluffy. Alright, my friends, next we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And mix these in until they're well incorporated. Alright, now we're going to slowly add in 1 16-ounce box, which is a pound of powdered sugar. That's sifted. turn my speed down to low so that way I won't make a mess. Alright, last of the powdered sugar. Mix this in until they're well combined. Alright, my friends, our cinnamon cream cheese frosting is complete. So now I poured it into my piping bag. We're going to use a 1M star piping tip. And our cupcakes is nice and cool. We're ready to pipe them. I have placed my cupcake onto my cake stand and pipe the top. Pipe it all around. Just like that. And then we're going to sprinkle some cinnamon sugar right on top. Now how good does that look? Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish piping the rest of my cupcakes and I'll bring you back. And there you have it, my friends. Churros Cupcakes. Don't they look delicious? So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at this cupcake. Look at that texture. It's so moist it just falls apart. It's light and airy. Love that taste of the cinnamon sugar on top. Just like eating churros. These cupcakes are spot on delicious, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Churros Cupcake Licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram or send me an email. ellenshomemade.delights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and happy Cinco de Mayo.